Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing another Dollar Tree haul. So if you want to see what I picked up at my local Dollar Tree, just keep on watching. Alright, so let's talk about the more like random products first, and then we'll get into like the more beauty side. So first off, I went ahead and purchased another room spray. I know I told you guys I wasn't going to do it anymore. I wasn't going to repurchase them, but they added some new scents. So this is the signature Lumi Essence lavender fields spray. So this is basically just a room spray, and literally I smelled it at the Dollar Tree and it smells really nice. So let's see. Yeah, it just smells so nice. Again, it smells like lavender. You definitely have to love the smell of lavender to buy this, girl, because it's like a strong scent, but it is so good. I love me some good lavender scent, so that's why I purchased it, and it just smells so good. I love having different room sprays for my room, you know, different times, just to make it smell good. So yeah, I went ahead and picked up one of these. I saw that they had two different ones of these Bolero face mist, so I hadn't seen these before. I believe they're new. So this one is a Bolero face mist, and this is meant to calm, nourish, and replenish. It says sparkling pear and honey scent. So I haven't tried this at I haven't tried this at all. So they did have two different scents. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'll definitely have to try this out in a video. I think it's just like a nice kind of refreshing mist. So like since summer's coming up, you can use it for that or whatever. You just need a pick-me-up. I could even throw this in my car and throughout the day just spray my face, and it will definitely like bring back the life into my makeup. I don't know, so we'll see how that works. So next, like body care product is also from Bolero, and I saw that they added this new body scrub. I do have the I was gonna say the pink one. They have a pink one as well, but I went ahead and purchased the yellow one, if you guys saw my other Dollar Tree haul, and I actually did mention it in my empties as well. I just finished it up, so I thought, why not throw in another body scrub into my collection. So this is the lavender and coconut scent, and I really did enjoy using the other one, so I was like, okay, why not, maybe I'll love this scent as well. So yeah, I went ahead and picked this up. I didn't check if it was open, so hopefully it's not. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it smells really nice. Okay, girl, I love me some good like coconut scents, lavender scents, any of that. I love it. So yeah, and it's so cute. Love the packaging as well. Now I also did go ahead and repurchase this. So this is the Spa Luxury Aromatherapy body wash and foaming wash, and this is the relax scent. So far I've been purchasing the purple ones. Those are like the like sleep ones, but I thought I wanted to go back to the old school one that I used to pick up all the time, the relax one, and these last me such a long time. So it's just a body wash. I go ahead and put it on my loofah, scrub everywhere. It just smells amazing, and it just makes me feel really nice, and my skin feels soft afterwards. So I really like this, along with like a body scrub maybe once a week. It's just so good. I don't know, how often should you use body scrub? I need to look that up. I thought like not too much, because I know scrubbing your skin every single day would be bad for you. So let me know down below if you know the answer, but I'll definitely have to look that up to see how often. But so far I've been using it once a week. So yeah, and then this, like, I love it. I use it all the time. For like miscellaneous products, I was about to check out and I saw these little string lights, and they're just so cute and pink and sparkly. So I thought, why not? It can go with my room decor. I could put this somewhere. And in the back it says for indoor use only, and you do need some batteries to get these working. So I went ahead and picked up two little sets of these little string lights, and they just look so cute. So I'll definitely have to update you guys once I put these up, and I'll show you guys how it looks, but they just look so cute. So I thought, why not, girl? It literally matches everything in my room. So yeah, you never know when I'm gonna need these. Let's get into the beauty products. It wasn't a lot. I don't know why I went to 2 different Dollar Trees, and so far I haven't found any new makeup. Kind of sad, but I did find a new sponge. They had like 3 different sponges at my Dollar Tree, and these are from Remi Rose. So I hadn't seen any like Remi Rose sponges before, so I saw this one here. I feel like the box is so giant compared to the little sponge, but this is again from Remi Rose, and this is our beauty blender. So cute. Love the little picture in the front. You guys know I love me some Remi Rose products. I love their lip glosses. I really enjoy a lot of their products. So yeah, I thought, why not? Let's throw in a sponge. The only thing, obviously, you're not gonna know like what brand this is from once it's out of the packaging. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep it in the little box until we use it for like a full face of Dollar Tree video. I also picked up some lashes. So these are from Ardell, and these are the Aqua Lashes. No adhesive needed. So I did see this going around on YouTube. a couple years ago, I want to say. And basically you don't need lash glue from what this says. It's just like water. So you put water on it and it adheres to your lashes. So I don't know, let me know if you've tried these before, but I thought this style was really nice. So this one here is in 344, and again they're Aqua Lashes, and again water activated lash band. That sounds so interesting. Lastly, I went ahead and picked up this little set of brushes. We might be going on a trip soon, so I wanted to be prepared. I also do have some other travel brushes as well, but I thought these were so adorable. And it comes with how many brushes? 4 pieces in here. This is the eye brush set with case, and I thought this lavender shade was stunning, so I just grabbed it. It's just so cute. You never know when you're gonna need a good like travel set to do your eyeshadow, and it's good to have like little travel sized brushes as well. So yeah, so cute. I'm not gonna open this just yet, but this is adorable. And that was the last product, girl. So that was it. Let me know your favorites down below. Did you pick up any of these products? Let me know again your update on these, if you've tried them before, and all the other products. I will definitely be updating you guys in future videos. You guys know some of these products I already love, and they've been a tried and true in my collection. So yes, yet another Dollar Tree haul. I love purchasing things from the Dollar Tree. They always have such great products. So let me know what your favorites are from the Dollar Tree, and don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. Also, I do have a Dollar Tree playlist, which is always linked down below, of all my Dollar Tree videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.